all land should have a voice. All landowners have a responsibility to give their land a voice.
As we've gotten more and more efficient with our farming and forestry, and the level of intensity has grown, we've lost a lot of that, what I would call messy habitat or edge habitat. Pollinators probably have a role in making about 2/3 of the food that we eat. Everything that eats a seed or a fruit depends on a pollinator to some point.
The Pollinator Initiative was really created in the early project planning phase, and that was created really to address the sharp decline in pollinator species that we've seen across the nation and worldwide. The Atlantic Coast Pipeline really provides an opportunity to come in and replant the right-of-way with native grasses and seeds, which are great for habitat for native pollinators.
Now, some people think of a pollinator habitat as this big showy garden. And they would look on our transmission line and just see a bunch of weeds, but those plants are pollinator species. At last count, I think we had over 43,000 acres of pollinator habitat on our transmission and distribution lines combined.
By putting the pipeline habitat back into pollinators as opposed to just putting it in mowed grass, we create hundreds of acres of new habitat that we wouldn't have otherwise.
What we're going to turn this into an environmental positive impact, because we're going to be able to create edge habitat. It's going to help all these native wildlife and not hurt.